The days of Windows 10 is ticking down. From the 15th of October 2025, Microsoft will officially sunset it with no more updates. This makes continuing to use Windows 10 a risk because security holes will not be getting fixed, leaving you more vulnerable. And if you have compliancy requirements, that is a big red cross for unsupported software. So, what can you do? Well, there are three options. Upgrade to Windows 11 if your computer supports it. Replace it with a new computer if your computer can't upgrade. Or you can pay for extended updates for Windows 10. This can give you up to 3 more years. However, the price will double every year. We only recommend the extended updates if you can't update or replace due to specialized software or hardware requirements and not as a kick in the can down the road measure. I'm John from Westware IT and I help businesses to be more productive and more secure so they can be awesome for their clients.